Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry Tips and Tricks.
Calculate the number of atoms in each of the following. First question is 52 moles of argon. Here they have given the number of moles and asked to find the number of atoms, right? Direct equation is there. What is that? Number of moles is equal to number of particles. Here it is atoms, right? Number of atoms by Avogadro number. Correct? Now what we have to find? Number of atoms. So write the equation for that. Number of atoms is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. Now number of moles is given, right? 52. So what is that? 52 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. On calculating, you will get 3.131 into 10 raised to 25. Okay, so we got the answer for the first question. Moving to the second question. What we have to find? We have to find the number of atoms in 52 U of He. If the given mass is in AMU, then remember, never use equations containing Avogadro number or number of moles. See, most of the students make that mistake. See here, the unit is 52U. So it is nothing connected with the moles, okay, or Avogadro number. If the mass is given in U and if you are supposed to find number of atoms, simple. It's very simple. You can use this equation. Given mass by atomic mass. Very, very easy, right? What is given mass? 52U. What is atomic mass? 4U. On calculating, you will get the answer. So, what is the answer? 13. Number of atoms. Number of helium atoms is 13. Got it right? Remember this hint, okay? If the question is if the mass is in U, then don't use Avogadro number and all for finding the answer. Moving to the third question. 52 gram of helium. See here question is connecting with the gram. Then definitely it is connected with the mole. If the mass is in gram, see it is connected with the moles. Okay, not like second question. See, we know the equation number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass is equal to number of atoms by Avogadro number. Correct, right? These are the equations of number of moles. We know number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. It is also equal to what? Number of particles by Avogadro number. Correct? Now, see, equate these two. Very, very simple. What is mass? 52. What is molar mass? 4. Number of atoms we have to find, right? By what? Avogadro number. Hope all of you understand. That much easy, right? So what is that? Number of atoms is equal to. On cutting this, what you will get? 13, right? Okay. So 13 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. On calculating, what you will get? We will get 7.828 into 10 raised to 24. So that is the answer for the third question. Okay.